Hello student. In the last class we have discussed about vector cross product and different type properties of the vector cross product. Today we will start exercise 10.4. This exercise is related to vector cross product. So hope you remember the definition of vector cross product. You see, if you know the angle between two vectors directly, then we can use the definition of vector cross product as A bar cross B bar equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sine theta and n cap. Hope you remember what is n cap. N cap is the unit vector in the direction of a right-handed screw and when moved from A to B and perpendicular to both the vector A bar and B bar. That is one of the definition of cross product. And also if the vectors are given in component form, then the cross product of two vector can be expressed in the determinant form by considering the first row as I cap, j cap, k cap. Then the second row consists of the components of the first. If you consider A bar cross B bar, then the second row will be the component of the vector A bar and the third row will be the component of the vector B bar. Now we go to our question. Here you see, in the first question it is asked to write down the magnitude of the vector A bar cross B bar. A bar is equal to I cap minus 7j cap plus 7k cap and B bar equal to 3I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. That means we see that the vectors are given in component form. So our aim is to get the magnitude. So if you want to get the magnitude of the vector, we have to first find out the vector A bar cross B bar. And as the vectors are given in the component form, so we will try to form the determinant of this vector. That means the determinant. Okay, so A bar cross B bar is equal to what I had told you just now. That is the determinant of order 3 by 3. First row will be I cap, j cap, k cap. Always fixed it is. Second row, you have to consider a component of this vector A bar. The component of the vectors are 1, minus 7 and 7. So this consists of the second row. And third row, the component of the second vector B bar. What are the components here? You see 3, I cap component is 3, j cap is minus 2 and k cap is 2. So let us write down this. Now it's a determinant. So you know how to evaluate the determinant. So evaluate the determinant. Then we can express it in the form of a vector. So the process is what? First you consider the first vector. I want to express in terms of, expand in terms of first row. So I have considered the first row. Then the process is what? Delete the first row and first column because it is present in the first row, first column. So delete that and you will have this determinant. Determinant of order 2, that is minus 7, 7, minus 2, 2. Then you have to do just like cross multiplication. Is not it? So what I have done, that step I skip and directly I have written minus 7 into 2 minus 7 into minus 2. Okay. This is just, if you forget, you can see the in the class of doing the starting video of this determinant chapter. There I had explained you how to evaluate a determinant of order 3 by 3. Minus j cap is there and deleting here j cap is present in the first row, second column. So delete first row, second column. What is left? 1, 7, 3 and 2. Is not it? So multiply. 1 into 2 minus 7 into 3. This is done. Then again next you have to give plus. First plus, then minus, then plus because you know the cofactor. So plus k. K is written, then delete, it is present in the first row, third column. So delete this row and this column. What is left? This determinant will be left. 1 into minus 2. So I have written here minus 7 into 3. Okay. Hope you remember the expansion of determinant. Now you just do the calculation. I cap. This is minus 14. This is minus plus 14. Minus 14 plus 14 gives you 0. So minus I cap into 0. Then here j cap is written. Then after that 2 and 2 ones are 2 minus 21. That is minus 21. So minus 19. Minus become plus. So it is plus 19 j cap. Then let us go to the third component. That is minus 2. It is plus 21 which will give you plus 19 and then a coefficient of k cap. So we have got the vector A bar cross B bar is equal to 0 I cap, 19 j cap and 19 k cap. Now you have to find out its magnitude. You see that in the question. In the question we want to get the component. Is not it? Magnitude. So let us get the magnitude. How to get the magnitude? Hope you remember. that is magnitude of this is under root of I cap sum of squares of the coefficient of I cap, j cap and k cap, that is 0 square, which I have not written here because the meaning of 0 square is 0. So without writing also the result will remain as it is. Minus here 19 square plus 19 square. Here I have not done the calculation of 19 square, but I have done the calculation like this. It is 2 times of 19 square. So I have written 2 bar 19 square as nice. So my 2 times of 19 square likhisu. After that 119 will come out of the determinant and we got it for 19 root over 2. And if you want, you can do the calculation like finding out the squared and do the sum and again take the square root. But that is a lengthy procedure, is not it? But if I do it like this, result will come easily. So that's why I have proceed like this. So hope you understand the procedure of finding out the magnitude of a cross product. Or here actually to put some time, if directly it is asked to get the cross product of two vector, then we can stop the solution here. Up to this it is required to do. But as here magnitude is required to get, that's why the last line is to find out. Now I go to the second question. Your second question is, find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vector a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar, where a bar is this given 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap, and b bar is given as I cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. So your aim is to get the vector perpendicular to both the vector descendants. Obviously, first we are going to find out the value of a bar plus b bar, because a bar is given to you, b bar is given to you. So easily we can find out the value of a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar. After getting a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar, what is to find out? A vector which is perpendicular to both these vector descendants. So at the time of the definition of cross product, I had told you n cap is the unit vector. That means the vector which is perpendicular to both the given vector a bar and b bar. Both the given vector. So in this case, if I found out the cross product of this and this, right, then we'll have a vector and which will be perpendicular to both the vector this and this one. If required, you can verify that also. So first, what is our aim? First, you can write down what is your given a bar and b bar, and after that you find out the value of a plus b and a minus b. After that, as we have to find out a vector perpendicular to both of them, so we are going to find out its cross product. So first, let us find out what is a plus b. What is a plus b? You have to get what? Take the sum of the components of I cap, j cap, k cap together. Here component of I cap is 3 and here it is 1. So taking the sum, 3 plus 1 will be 4 I cap. Then j cap component. Here it is 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4 j cap. K cap component. Plus 2 minus 2, 0. So it will be 0 k cap, which can be written as 4 I cap plus 4 j cap. Similarly, let us get a bar minus b bar directly by substitution also. Tumalke ete bohai loi koribo para dei. Moi sidha korisu 3 minus 1, that is I cap. Here 2 minus 2, that is 0 j cap. 2 minus minus plus 2, right? So 2 plus 2 will be 4 k cap. Here j cap will be removed. That is what is left? 2 I cap plus 4 j cap. Or tumalke etu nilikhi etu line to rakhi dibo para, because our aim is to get the value of the cross product, is not it? So coefficient botu lagiboi. He karone tumalke a line to nilikhako yar pora calculation koribo para. Now let us get the cross product. Etu ar etur cross product uli ase. Monot rakhiba tumak cross product uliabo dia boli koa nai. Kintu as I required the vector perpendicular to both of these two vector, that's why I have get the value of the cross product. So let us get the cross product, because it is a new vector now. Here you see it's a vector now. Again it is a vector in component form. So cross product will be the determinant of this one. I cap, j cap, k cap. First the component of I cap, j cap, k cap of this vector, which are 4, 4 and 0. Minus 0 or 0, same thing. Then the next is third row. The component of I cap, j cap, k cap of this vector. This is the vector which will be 2, 0, 4. So I have written it. And as earlier, that is how just to expand the determinant. On expansion, what will have? I cap will be there. Then delete the row and the column where I cap present. Then what is left? Just do the calculation. Here will be here what is left? 4, 0, 0, 4. That is 4, 4 is 16 minus 0. Right? So I cap coefficient we have got. Then minus j cap. Don't forget to give this minus sign. Okay. Then j cap present in first row, second column. So delete first row, second column. What is left? 4, 0, 0, 2, 4. So doing the calculation, first this one to this. 4, 4 is 16. Minus 0 into 2 is 0. So 16 minus 0. plus k cap. Delete this row and this column because k cap present in the first row and third column. What is left? 4 into 0 is 0. 4 2 jar 8. Then left is remaining terms are 16 minus 0 is 16 I cap. 16 minus 0 is 16 j cap. And this is 0 minus 8 is minus 8. So plus minus 8 I cap, k cap. Okay. So we have got the value of the vector which is perpendicular to both these vector. But let us verify whether it is perpendicular or not. Because of that reason, under what condition we'll call two vectors are perpendicular? Hope you remember. Duta vector perpendicular ko jodi vector duta dot product to 0 hoy. Etia moi sabo khujisu je this vector which is this cross this vector is perpendicular to both this and this one. Let us get, and I have just named it as C just to do the calculation easily. Hekane moi to naam to C dilolu. So etia moi ki korim C bar, that means this vector is perpendicular to this one. I want to show it. Because of that reason, I'll find out the value of C bar dot this vector. So C bar dot this vector. Hope you remember. This is your C bar is this much. 16 I cap minus 16 j cap minus 8 k cap. Substitute dot your A bar plus B bar, which is 4 I cap plus 4 j cap. Then do the dot product. Dot product keneke korisile monat ase sage? Sum of squares of component of I cap, j cap, k cap. So which will be 16 into 4 plus minus 16 plus into 4. So minus sign directly I have given here. Plus minus 8 into 0, this one. Then do the calculation. 64 minus 64 will be equal to 0. That means we can give the conclusion that C bar is perpendicular to A bar plus B bar. That one part we have done. Now go to the second part. That means now we are going to find out this conclusion I had written. Now we are going to find out the dot product of C bar and A bar minus B bar. So C bar substituted, A bar minus B bar is substituted. Right? Then again do the dot product. 16 into 2 plus minus 16 into 4, minus 16 into 0 because there is no component of j cap. Then plus minus 8 into 4. Doing the calculation we got it 0. That means the conclusion is what? C bar is perpendicular to A bar minus B bar. So ultimately we give the conclusion that thus C bar is the required vector which is perpendicular to each of the vector A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar. তোমালকে নিশ্চয় বুজি পালা তামান তোমালকে এটা সিম্পলি মনত ৰাখিবা সামাৰি হিচাপে কি মই যদি দুটা ভেক্টৰৰ পারপেন্ডিকুলাৰ এটা ভেক্টৰ উলাব খুজু and then we can get it by doing the cross product of that two vector যি দুটা ভেক্টৰৰ পারপেন্ডিকুলাৰ ভেক্টৰ উলিয়াব লাগে হিহ দুটাৰ ক্ৰস প্ৰডাক্টটো কৰিলে তুমি উত্তৰটো পাই যাবা right okay now I go to the next question number 3 your question number 3 is if a unit vector A bar makes angle pi by 3 with I cap, pi by 4 with j cap, and an acute angle theta with k cap. Then find theta and hence the component of A bar. So just read the question again and try to clear the question what is asked. A unit vector A bar. A bar is a unit vector. First thing it is given. And it is given that A bar makes an angle pi by 3 with I cap. Then A bar makes an angle pi by 4 with j cap and A bar makes an acute angle theta. Now, what is the value of theta? It's not given, but it's an acute angle that is given. Acute mane monot ase ke less than 90. So yar logot multi vector A bar k cap or logot ki angle korise theta. Our to guess the value of theta and hence the component of A bar. That means A bar you have to get in terms of component. Hekare moi A bar to dhori lolu. Let A bar is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. And as it is given that A bar is a unit vector, our aim is to get what? X, Y, Z and also theta. Saita unknown as X, Y, Z and theta. So try to form 4 equations to solve this. Equation form as it is given that A bar makes an angle, A bar is a unit vector. So obviously we know it that magnitude of A bar is equal to 1. Our A bar magnitude keneke goba. Etu component ota say so under root x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1. And squaring both sides, we can remove the under root. That means we got it. X square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1. I just mark it as 1. After this, yar pisot tumalke ki koriba. Next tumalekor yate koise A bar makes an angle pi by 3 with I cap. That means angle between A bar and I cap is pi by 3. So we know the value how to get the angle between two vector, right? In cross product also we have got a formula. In dot product also we have got a formula. But here I'll try to use the definition of cross product কাৰণ হেতু আমি সহজতে পাওঁ so এটা মই লিখি ললো angle between a bar and I cap is pi by 3 that means cos of pi by 3 is equal to what a bar dot I cap by magnitude of a magnitude of I cap cos pi by 3 that means cos 60 what is the value half so I have written it then a bar means this value dot I cap then use the definition of dot product a bar of magnitude to 1 I cap unit vector tar magnitude to 1 hol তার ডিনোমিনেটর নিলিখিলে হব এটা ইহতৰ ডট প্ৰডাক্ট উলিবা কি হব x into 1 হব plus y into there is no component of j cap so 0 plus z into 0 okay তুমি তো z টো ভালকে লিখি লবা হা ধৰিব নোৱাৰিলো তাৰপিছত আমি ক্যালকুলেশন কৰো কৰিলে কি পাম এই দুটা to 0 হৈ যাব so x will be equal to half one value we have got after this we know two more angle that means again we have got the second it is given in the question that angle between a bar and j cap is pi by 4 so I have find out here cos pi by 4 is a bar dot j cap by magnitude of a magnitude of j cap cos pi by value is 1 by root 2 x is this one and this magnitude of a cap is a bar is given as a unit vector so it will be 1 j cap is a unit vector so that is also 1 and doing the calculation eta tomalke definition dot product use kori disu x into 0 y into 1 plus z into 0 so y thaki gol y mane 1 by root 2 pala ebar tomalke ako jana that angle between that a bar and k cap is equal to what that is also given theta so he karone ebar tomalke cos theta to ulai lwa what is cos theta is a bar dot k cap by magnitude of a magnitude of k hoise hetu ami gom palu eta ami yar pra to magnitude a bar dot k cap mane kiman uliaboi parim moi tu likha nai aru to step skip korisu ha মানে x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap dot k bar hobo তাহলে x আৰু I cap j cap component 0 hobo tam থাকি গল k আৰু এটা তো 1 হয় তামানে আমি z মানে পালো cos theta এটা মই x পালো y পালো z পোৱা নাই আৰু cos theta পোৱা নাই এটা মই z to তোমালকে এটা যে ইকুৱেচন আছিল hope you remember এইটোৰ পৰা তোমালকে z to উলিয়াই লব পাৰিবা নাই x y জানা so এক নম্বৰ বহাই দিলে তোমালকে z to পাই যাবা let us get it in 1 I have substituted the value of just a minute okay x and y x value is half so half square plus 1 by root 2 square cos plus cos square theta is equal to 1 then you have to get the value of cos square theta so I just keep cos square theta on the left side then 1 minus this if I bring to the right side it become minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 this become on the right side minus 1 by 2 and do the calculation 4 is the LCM 4 minus 1 minus 2 4 minus 1 is 3 3 minus 2 is 1 so 1 by 4 so we have got cos theta is equal to plus minus actually half but don't have to give plus minus because it's given that it's an acute angle আৰু acute angle to তোমালকে নানা 90 কে সৰু হ'ব আৰু 90 কে সৰু মানে positive first quadrant থাকিব all positive that's why I have not given here the minus sign half palu এটা cos ৰ value half কেতিয়া হয় it's on the 60 degree that is pi by 3 so theta is equal to pi by 3 we have got it and after getting theta is equal to pi by 3 you just put it here cos theta is equal to pi by 3 so cos pi by 3 is equal to z so cos pi theta is equal to pi by 3 therefore z is equal to cos pi by 3 which is equal to what half so we have got the component x y z and then our vector can be written we can write down the vector which is half I cap plus half j cap plus half k cap sorry half I cap plus 1 by root 2 j cap plus half of k cap that means component are half 1 by root 2 and half let's complete the solution of question number 3 it's an important question try to clear the question properly right so here I'll just stop the solutions of the question remaining I will try to give in the next class okay thank you